Hi guys and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to activate action mode on iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. So let's do it. So to do that it is very easy, just go to your camera and here press on video. And here we have the icon for the action mode. It's near the flash icon and just press on this icon. And now action mode is active and you can shoot a video without some strong moves. And if you want to disable, just press again and action mode it's turned off. So let's do it again. Now it's on and now it's off. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.